What's the meaning of acknowledgement? Acknowledgement. 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 Acknowledgement refers to the act of recognizing or accepting the existence, validity or value of something or someone. It is a form of communication that acknowledges receipt of a message or an action taken by another person. The result of acknowledgement is that it helps to establish effective communication, build trust and promote mutual respect, whether in personal or professional settings. Acknowledgement is an essential component of healthy relationships. By acknowledging others, we show them that we value their contributions and we create a positive environment that fosters growth and productivity.